Hello, this is our vacuum furnace. This vacuum furnace to melting the metals. And you can see this is very big. This part is loose pump. And this part is the vacuum pump. This is a closed water cooling tower for this furnace. And this furnace, the capacity is 600 kilograms. And you can see we have installed this in our factory to show our customer. Have two furnace body. This is the number 2, and there is the number 1. Okay, this is, we can go on to check it inside. Okay, we are on the platform. You can see this is the cover of this furnace. And here, this is the okay, let's go down. You can see this part is also one part of this vacuum furnace. It includes many parts. This number 1. Is a petroleum station. This is the pour cabinet of the vacuum furnace. Here I have 2 cabinets to control all the actions of this furnace.